Hi and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Tabular by Solvency II Solutions, which is an Excel add-in for Solvency II Pillars 1 and 3. Let's dive in. It uses Excel as its interface, which provides the end user with the rich features that Excel offers. But Tabular is really a whole lot more than just an Excel file. What sets it apart is the abundance of little thoughtful touches. It's really in the small details that makes a big difference. Tabular caters for all IOPA and national specific templates, as well as the statements required for SFCR and RSR narrative reporting. All of the outputs conform to the data formats and taxonomies required by the regulators. Tabular's return setup wizard helps you define the return structure for each company, for group and solo entities. The wizard will guide you through the process and automatically select the appropriate templates according to your requirements. It will even pre-populate a variety of the inputs according to specific information that you feed through the setup process. For organizations with very broad reporting requirements, particularly those with life and non-life portfolios, or those who operate across multiple jurisdictions, navigating between templates and groups of templates can be cumbersome. But Tabular's QRT Navigator provides a tree structure navigation plane with the templates arranged in logical groupings. So as a result, nothing is really more than 1 or 2 clicks away. Users can input data directly into the cells in the templates using the familiar visual reference that's consistent with the regulator's specifications. However, the tool can also consume data from a wide range of sources. This includes the typical sources, such as Excel and CSV, but it can also consume data from XML and XBRL file sources, which is rare amongst vendors, but also incredibly useful. Tabular also includes an ETL wizard for the more complex integration requirements, meaning that it can also be used to collect and transform your data from upstream source systems. In addition, the tool provides extensive point-of-entry validations with detailed real-time reporting. All IOPA and NST specified validations are available, as well as extended requirements, such as the plausibility tests by the Central Bank of Ireland. Tabular also allows you to create your own validations and rules to meet your own individual business requirements. Full drill-down functionality from validation reports helps users identify and correct mistakes made at the source. Users can record notes against validation errors and warnings, which makes analysis much easier should the same validations trigger period on period, as well as satisfy audit and review requirements. Tabular's Regulator Hub is an inbuilt reference library that helps you make sense of the regulatory framework, providing cell-by-cell, context-sensitive IOPA and national regulator reference material, so that you have the relevant guidance for each data point as you prepare and as you review the return. The tools that the Analytical Report Generator offers allows you to analyze results across a range of dimensions. The pre-configured reports include a range of key ratios and allow users to analyze investments, balance sheet and own funds, financials and technical provisions, and movements along a time dimension. Another feature, Session Tracker, logs all of your data changes as you go, helping you keep track of your activity and your progress. Audit logs that capture all the changes are also readily available. Every Tabular return is securely protected, and access can be configured per QRT and per user. Now, Tabular provides role-based user access, and customizable roles can be configured to meet even your most intricate requirements. Return preparation, review, and approval procedures are highly customizable. You can define your own activity and governance rules, which must be met in order for a return to be approved and finalized. Once they are approved and marked as final, returns are locked down. So as you can see, Tabular is easy to install, to use, and to integrate with your other systems. The real unique quality of this application are all the little extra touches that they've added to make the process of using it as easy and as intuitive as possible for users. Obviously, this has come about as a result of their own experience when preparing Solvency II returns. If you'd like to learn more about Tabula, visit us on our website for more details. Thanks for watching.